Yep. What's up, guys? I fucked up again. Ah, damn it. It's pouring. And I have a long way to go. I'm soaked. The good news is my balls are still dry, so I'm not super cold. Why? Oh, man. I look at the radar, and you know, it shows good for the next like 2.5 hours, and I only have an 1.5 hour trip. So I'm like, you know what, oh with it. Now's probably the best time I'll have to go all day. No clouds. And I drive for 15 minutes, and all of a sudden, just downpour. And I'm like, what the fuck? I mean, what happened to the no clouds? Like, how did this? Damn it. This is frustrating as all, because I hate riding in the rain, and I don't want to do it. And here I surely am, stuck in the fucking rain. Hope your guys' day's going better. I had a good day today. A buddy of mine, Brian, actually, he's a guy I work with. He's a guy I normally go to lunch with. He actually, today was his last day at work. He found another job somewhere else that's, you know, better suited for him. So, yeah, I mean, props to you, buddy. Good job. And he gave us 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. So yeah, today turned out to be his last day at work. And yeah, we're just screwing around in the morning. I mean, we get our work done, or I get my work done. He really didn't have any. So I get my work done, and we continue screwing around. We go to lunch, and you know, my boss, he understands. Like me and Brian, we got pretty close as coworkers, you know. So he knows I'm gonna take him to lunch and, you know, kind of extend it. So we went to that Pazzo's place, and this time we sat at the bar. You ordered from the actual Pazzo's, you know, like the actual restaurant. Oh, such good food. Oh man, it puts the Express to shame. Granted, it's a little more pricey, but it's so delicious. It's so good. So, we had a couple drinks at lunch. He ended up taking off after lunch. He didn't have any work to do, so he's like, you know, I'm going to take an early train home. Have fun. But I had to go back to work, and at work, a buddy of mine, he showed up with a bottle of Captain Morgan. All right, cool. We grabbed some Coke. Bam! Everybody's drinking. We're all just drinking Captain and Coke, and it was delicious. I think my dad's behind me in his car. That's kind of cool. That's actually really cool. He called out to me. But yeah, so we're all just drinking at work and just enjoying the day, and you know, time flew because I was just screwing around, and you know, I got all my work done before, so I was kind of screwing on Facebook, posting that picture of my accident on Facebook. It was awesome. But oh damn it. Huh? That's alright. I'm already soaking wet. There's no point anymore. I mean, this is bullshit. Remember how I said now's the time to go? Like it wasn't gonna rain. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh well. I'm already out here. I'm already soaked. Oh man. That's fine. Appreciate it. So, yeah, he's gonna follow me. Oh no, my balls. Ah, damn it. Oh man, it's so cold on the nuts. Oh, why are you so cold, Rain? There's his baby. So, yesterday, the Samsung Galaxy S3 came out, and yesterday I went to Verizon Wireless and I picked up mine. It is an amazing phone. It truly is. It's got the dual core 1.5 gigahertz processor, 2 gigs of RAM. It runs quick, does everything I want it to, and it came with the headphones I'm listening to right now, actually, which are IEMs that go in your ear. And I can't hear a word I'm saying. It's like earplugs. This sucks. God damn it. Yeah, the phone's working great. I'm just gonna stay in this lane. This is bullshit. Oh well. I'm gonna be pissed this whole ride now. I'm fucking wet again, and it's a beautiful car. And my face is getting wet somehow. See, I got the white Samsung Galaxy S3. I got the white one. It's got a big screen. It's like a little mini tablet. It's amazing. And I'm loving every bit of it. It was like show and tell today at work because it just came out yesterday, so you know, not many people have it. And I'm the only person. Oh, actually, I know one other person. I actually know one other person that has it, and she loves it. So not many people actually have the phone. Still a good one. I'm happy I got it. A little expensive, but all worth it. Oh man, I wonder if you can actually hear the music I'm listening to now. I mean, they're IEM, so like I said, they go in my ear, so they're not earbuds. They're deeper in my ear. I wonder if you can actually hear it. But that doesn't matter really. I mean, yeah. All right, Mike, let's get to where we're going. Let's stop bothering the people and make a video. Make a video, God, this sucks. It's cold. Let's get a temperature dropped tremendously. I'm going in front of you, buddy, because there's nobody else in there. So my tire's already been sliding a lot. The rear tire. Front tire's actually holding out like a champ. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a Band-Aid on my headlight until I fix it. Ooh, come on, don't slide. Oh man, my feet are soaking wet. Oh, it's like you're stepping in a swamp. Ah, oh, what crap. I feel like I'm walking in like just piles of shit. It's just like mushy because your sock is full of water and oh damn it. Oh well. Alright, so yeah, I told everybody, you know, on my last caught in a storm video, never get stuck in a storm or in rain. And here I go like a dumbass, not taking my own advice. I'm an idiot. I don't listen to people, nevertheless myself. Guys, check the fucking forecast. Make sure you're not going to be stuck in this. Like, when you go outside, look up and say to yourself, is it going to rain anytime soon? If it will, stay the fuck inside. Go inside your house. Hide. Hide under a blanket where you can stay dry forever. Don't go outside on a motorcycle and pretend you'll beat the storm. Because, no, you won't. You won't. Murphy's Law says you will not beat that storm. You're going to get caught in it, and it is going to shit, rain, and water on you. Fuck. My dad's way back there. Alright, well, I'm going to say that I'm going to pay attention to the road, but chances are I'll probably start another video in a little while. Either way, I don't know where he is. Either way, my feet are wet, my hands are wet, my stomach's wet, my balls are wet, and my bike is wet, and I'm not happy. I mean, she wanted a bath, but I didn't want to give it to her like this. Ebony, you're a bitch right now. You're kind of a bitch. She hoped for rain. She really did. Anyways, take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like and subscribe, you know, do all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Thanks again for watching, guys. Peace!